So, update on the E36. As you can see, all the panels are on. It's on the ground. It's sitting pretty nice. The front's going to come down probably another 10mm. But yeah, it's looking fantastic. Actually, I'm pretty happy with it. It's come up a lot better than I thought it would. So let's have a walk around. Coming up to the back, you can see we've got the tie downs on. The tow hook's in place, just needs a bit of a tweak. It's even got the badge on, but we haven't peeled the protective film off yet. That's one of the last symbolic jobs that you do on a build. Bodywork's all looking pretty good. These windows still need a good clean. I haven't really looked at those since I painted it. Having a look inside. Everything looks pretty nice down there. Wiring's almost done. It's it's looking quite nice in here. We've still got the Kevlar to go on the inner door there. This side here will be fiberglass. But the rear doors are all done. And trim's in. Fuel pumps are all sorted and doing pumping things. Looking pretty nice. Actually, let's move around the front. Again, you can see that stance. These flares have come up beautifully. Coming over into the driver's side, we can see we've got ignition, so oil light, obviously no oil pressure at the moment because the engine's not turning over. Alternator light, all working. We've got the headlights. Oh, sorry, that's the fan. Headlights are all working. Down there we've got that's the demister over there. Plumbed in, just a cheap eBay one, electric, about 40 bucks. Does the job, satisfies the rules. That's our carbon floor that we made earlier, bit of grip tape. Brakes are bled, clutches bled. Throttle's all connected now. Nice cable. Looking pretty nice. Let's look under the bonnet. Still got to put the tie downs on. But, yeah, we've got brakes. The ITBs are all connected, bolted in. Injectors are all wired up. Still got to do the coil packs. So we've got the fan belt on. It's got oil in it. The fuel stuff's connected. Apart from that one down there. Water's in. The heater pipes are all unplugged. Oh, sorry, plugged. Back is trim. Bit of a clean up, a bit of a paint. Wipers are working. Yeah, it's all looking pretty nice. And brand new windscreen. Brand new windscreen always makes it look like it's a new car. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. I've actually been thinking maybe we should pull the S50 out of the black car and put into this one, but nah. What a project, eh? 3-month build that took 2 years. But yeah, it's got some stance, looking pretty good. These are some Porsche 968 parts just casually lying on the floor here. These will be going into the 924. And now I'm going to show you the summer project.